Hi everybody, this is Lisa from Pressure Crisp, and today we're going to be caramelizing some onions for bratwurst. Okay, so we're going to make sure the pot is in the Foodi. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to hit sear saute. It's on high, and we're just going to hit start. And we're just going to take a little bit of olive oil and put it in the pot. Okay. The oil has come up to temperature, and this is just at half an onion. I'm only making one bratwurst for myself. So I'm just going to put those in there. Alright, and we're just going to add just a bit of salt. Not too much. And black pepper. You're going to make sure you're using a high temp silicone spatula. We're just going to get these going on high, and then we're going to turn them down. But I just want to get these rolling here. Okay, so we're getting a lot of brown on the onion on high. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to turn it down to low medium. And the Ninja Foodi will kick. Okay, so I had them on low to medium low. There's really no action, so to speak of. It's kind of, but it did sweat them out a bit. So now I turned it back up to high, so I'm just going to brown them up just a bit more. But they're very translucent the way I like them. I like them cooked low and slow for a long time. But we're quickening this up a bit. Okay, we're going to do a little bit of an experiment here. I'm going to leave the onions in there. I'm going to go ahead and put the rack in. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the bratwurst on the rack. Now I'm only cooking one because it's just for me. So I'm going to go ahead and close the lid. Alright, so we're going to hit, let's air crisp them. We're going to keep it at 390, and the time, we're just going to do it for 10 minutes. And then we're going to temp them, well, the one, and hit start. It's been 5 minutes. Ooh! That really browned up. We're going to flip them over, close the lid, and start it back up again. Alright, it's been 10 minutes. We're going to temp this bratwurst. Ooh, he is done. And the onions on the bottom, looks like they browned up a lot. So, I'd probably do this again. Just watch to make sure they don't burn. And last but not least, we're going to warm up a roll in the Ninja Foodi. Just close the lid, and we're just going to put it on for a minute, but we're going to check it after 30 seconds. Okay, it's been a minute. Ooh, nice and warmed up. I'm going to grab the roll. Going to grab the sausage, well, bratwurst. And we're going to take this out. Be careful, this is very hot. We're going to grab these great onions. Mix them up just a bit. There we go. Alright, we're going to let that cool and then do a taste test. Okay. Here's the final product. And let's do a taste test. Let's put a little bit of onion there. Really good. Super moist. Onions came out well. So you can, if you just want to fire up the Ninja Foodi just to cook one thing, so worth it. But you probably could have put 4, possibly 6 bratwurst on the rack. But if you're just cooking for one, perfect. Or if you want to, like I did today, make multiple things. I made a salad, put steak on it for someone else, and made a brat for myself. So hope you enjoyed the video, and please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.